Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox these Tarmac Works Garage toolset RWB on 1:64 scale. They previously released this on their website a few months ago, but unfortunately I didn't get a hold of it because it's sold very fast. And luckily I went to Orillia Diecast a couple of weeks ago and they have a stock on this one. I bought these for $25 and let's open it. I'm gonna put their website and their address if you want to visit their store, or if you want to purchase something. They do shipping. Just visit their online site and there's a lot of selections there you can choose from. So let's open this one. Yay! I'm always a fan of RWB ever since, and I have quite a few RWBs in my collection. If you want to see the car, comment down below, then I'll make a review of some of it. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice actually. It's a lift, car lift with some tools on it, and it also says a sticker included. So let's see what kind of sticker is included. So the box is pretty neat. Some description: manufactured by Premium and Collectible Trading and blah blah blah. And in the back it says RWB Garage, Tarmac Works, Tarmac accessories. So yeah, let's open it. They say sticker inside, but I don't see any sticker. Ah, there you are. Huh. Nice. What? I wasn't expecting that. There's some different varieties of sticker. Like, nice. What? There are two sets of stickers. So you choose which one do you want to use. I'm gonna keep these for now and not use it because the one that is included is pretty neat. So they have a small, so let's start with this one first. This is the lift. It's actually plastic, not like the M2s, which is metal, but it's pretty nice actually. So there's a RWB decals right there. Yeah. Interesting. The next one will be, let's put it there. So this is the one you need to put the sticker. Yeah. So you need to choose which sticker you want to put. So let me choose which one I need to put. And this one is the garage toolbox that is included. Nice. RWB and the flag. RWB. So we're gonna choose which sticker we're gonna put. We have a car here that is 1:64 by Hot Wheels. Nice. So if you want to put there, yay, perfect. Oh, maybe this way. Sorry. Yeah, that way. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we're gonna go to my display case. I'm gonna remove it on the box. And I also have these another Hot Wheels Team Transport RWB. goes underneath. Perfect. And it comes with a truck, flatbed truck. It's, I think, RWB Indonesia, so that's why it's purple. So we're gonna keep these and put something on the other side. What do you want? This one is Sterla 3 Super 9, or let's put something on this one first. So let's put this one on the other side and another one on the other side. So tiny. There you are. I love RWB. And on the other side, we're gonna put this one, Rough World. Yeah. Neat. Excuse my fingernails. I just recently done a mechanic job in my car. Yeah, that's it. So pretty much it's nice for display, and hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next episode. Peace.